So today I'm going to do the water bottle flipping experiment. I filled my water bottle a third of the way, and I've already tried this and I've only landed it once, so we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and try to flip it, and let's see what happens. Try it again. Yay! So, Senator holds the bottle from the top. Okay, so you have to hold the bottle from the top. The water in the center of the gravity rests in the base of the bottle. When the bottle is tossed, it rotates, but since the water is free to flow, the fluid does not all rotate with the bottle. Instead, it sloshes around. As the light bottle spins, the angular momentum is transferred to the heavier water. The bottle spin is slowed. The now nearly unspinning bottle falls with gravity and lands straight upright on the table. When I didn't hold the bottle the correct way in my hand, I noticed that I kept not landing it, but when I held it the way the picture showed me how to hold it, it would land both times.